How to create Apple ID without Gmail ID and also without using a phone number. So let's get started. First of all, the basic method is you can use any email. You can use any email address, Yahoo, Outlook, ProtonMail, iCloud.com, or any. So you can even create a new iCloud email during the process if you want. So first of all, navigate to the settings and tap on the Apple account option available at the top and navigate to the sign in option of your Apple ID. So once done so, tap on the don't have an Apple ID option available at the bottom and start creating your Apple ID account. Now enter your first name and last name. Then also fill in your birthday. Once done so, simply tap on the continue or next option available there. Now here you can see email address option available. Tap on the don't have an email address option available there. Now you can simply get a free iCloud email if you don't want to use your Gmail. Example, you can your name @icloud.com at the end. And tap on the continue. Then you'll be navigated to enter a password for your Apple ID. So here as you can see, we created an Apple ID email without using your Gmail or phone number. Now create a strong password and you'll be logged into your new Apple ID. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.